Hello guys, here we go again for a second video of playing the Fatal Frame Maiden of the Blackwater. Ito na yung ikalawa, yung first drop. So, okay, let's enjoy the game. Ito, laruin natin dito yung first drop. Ito yung first drop, Vanishing Praise. Ito yung ikalawang natin dito na yung ikalawang protagonist na si Yori Kozukata. Tagal. Okay.
I thought that I'd be scared of death.
So,
but I can't even cry.
Ito yung si Yuri. Yung ikalawang protagonist natin. Pero siya yung dito, yung sinasabi na main protagonist.
I am alone. In the end, I am alone.
Ang story ito, puro puro sa Suicide.
Alone.
If I'm not mistaken.
Huh?
Yung percentage ng yung
what we're looking for should be in here.
Country na maraming
This is
nag-suicide
an
kasi
excellent chance for you to take the lead.
yung mga pressure
Here,
ba?
take this.
Pressure sa buhay. Ganun.
This is a camera obscura. It will let you see the unseen,
maganda ng buhay.
including the clues that will help you
Minsan,
find what
kaligtaan na
we're here
natin.
for.
May kapal, kaya hindi tayo ginaguide.
This is your opportunity, your first case.
Ito, binibigyan na siya ng
Sure
yung
he'll do
signature signature
Let's start with a little practice.
tool
It works
ng
exactly
laro
like a
ng
normal
Fatal
camera.
Frame, yung camera obscura.
Give it a try. Just hold up the camera.
Ito, photo mode. Practice muna tayo dito. Picturean natin ito, magandang dilag na ito. Oh, posing muna. Ganda mo?
The camera obscura photographs the netherworld, a whole other world separate from our own. That world that we see through the lens is not unlike the afterlife.
Isoka Kurosawa. Ano kaya to ni Rei Kurosawa sa Fatal Frame 3? By the way guys, yung Fatal Frame 3, kung nalaro nyo sa PlayStation 2, siya yung protagonist. Kamag-anak yata to ni Rei Kurosawa, yung protagonist sa Fatal Frame 3. Picture muna. Practice. Paano natin gamit natin to pag tayo dyan, nag-travel na tayo sa loob.
It's a token.
Post-mortem.
It will help lead you to what we're looking for.
Okay.
Now don't panic.
Sige, lakad
But be sure to stay on your guard.
Lakad.
Go on and head inside.
Lakad muna tayo, lakad. Tumapa. Sige. Snap mode. Okay. Pause ko to. Pause naman. Okay. Lakad muna. Lakad.
This is a postmortem photograph.
Walking,
It's not just a normal photograph that's taken to
walking.
It's why Ren
Seems
sent
so
this.
easy now.
But
Okay.
it seems that this photo
Tayo
came from
dito,
somewhere
dito.
around here, and he wants us to
Ito.
see whether we can find it.
Oh, panik to. Grabe. Kita. Ayan, nakita siya. Ito yung ano natin. Parang meron siyang ano, sinasabi lang third eye. Katungangan lang to. Ako dito, natatakot ako. Grabe, tapang ng babaeng to. Tapang naman niya. Sige, lakad. Lakad tayo. Ray Kuzukata.
Yuri, wait. I can sense something.
Okay. Find the trail. Ito.
It's
So,
called
ito
a
yung
trace,
tinatawag nila na ano,
a shadow of the past.
yung
The token is
trace.
showing you the way.
Pipinutin ko lang dito yung ano dito, yung RT yata.
Let's follow that shadow.
RT. So, hold down ZR. RT sa Xbox yata yun. Xbox yata yun. Okay. Takbo dito. Kunin to anong nahulog dito. Libro. Kamasutra yata to. Oh, di. Okay. Picturean to. Okay. Ito. Man peeking through. Uy. Mambuboso. Okay, dito tayo. Picturean to lalaking to. Ito. Innkeeper. Was that a shadow of the past? Okay. So, punta tayo dito. Okay. A. Is A to crawl. Punta tayo dito. Kunin
Maybe
natin
it's in this
ito.
room.
Door
It
lock.
appears we need a key. Try using the camera obscura.
So, may tutorial dito. So, picture natin to. Okay. Uy, something na image na ano.
Yuri, you go on ahead of me and
So, likod tayo dito.
I'll wait for you.
Meron medyo maulan, guys. Itong bagyong Wilma. Okay. Sure. Uy. Ito yung mga problema ng taong to. Pasok ito. Okay. Ako, trailing pa. Okay, dito, pasok. So, kunin natin to. Okay, may susi. Yun yung area na pinakroll natin. Balik tayo sa area. Tapos, press 2. Okay. Man looking at a key. Takbo dito. Takbo. Crouch again. Okay. Red keychain. So, buksan natin to.
Somewhere in
Tapos,
this
okay,
Look
pasok tayo.
room. Hold on.
Dito.
There's something there.
So, may ano, so may sahig. Picture natin to. tilt natin. Tilt. Okay, yeah, ito. Sure. Okay. Mga libro to.
This is what we came here for.
Hmm.
We shouldn't stay here any longer than we need to.
You're right.
Let's head back before it gets dark.
Okay.
Okay. Ito yata yung pinunta nila dito eh. Saving. Ito. Okay, balik. Oh, uy, may pumihit na. Ay. May pumihit doon sa
Searching
pinto.
for objects like we did just now might be easy, but searching for people is much more difficult.
Ay, wala na. Wala na yung tao.
Psychometry allows you to see the
Wala na.
psychic imprint as a shadow.
Sa susunod na gameplay lang to.
Never
Okay, at least meron to.
someone who has been spirited away.
Yung ano.
You might end up seeing something you wish you hadn't.
Dito. Oh, meron pa dito. Oh. Ay. Mabilisan yata ang dating dito. Ito picture. Liko tayo dito. Ako. Ito na yata yung ano. Ito na yata yung picturean ko yung ano dito. Ba't nag-post to? Alam niyo. Nagkaw. Parang teka. Kita yun, camera obscura. Parang zombie. Yaw. Picture natin. Tilt natin. Ay, yung pula na. Pula. Okay. Yan, pula. So, fight the ghost with the camera obscura. Obscura. Bahala na. Ito, picture. Picture natin ito. Matake pa yata itong loko. Picture. Sige. Feast your eyes. Okay. Sige. Tamaan ka sana. Yan. Pula na. Tagal lang mag-load nito. Okay. Sige. No, di double murder. Okay. May basang-basa na. Buti nakapadding. Okay. Tulis Miss Ganda.
I'm sorry. I shouldn't have brought you here.
I am alone. Bayata kultura nila dito eh. Di pareho sa Pinoy na medyo pag may problema, may kausap. Here lang yung katapat. Ito ito yata yung origin ng yung pag may ginagawang building yata o dapat patakan ng lugar. Yun, parang ganun. Ng ritual ba para na meron yung spirits ng ito dito tao. Karumal-dumal. Yan yung Shintoism yata doon sa Japan. Shinto. Pero ito, sobra to. Na to. Exaggerated na. For the sake of game lang yata to. For the sake of the game. So it's only a pure fiction, guys. Wala naman yata sa totoo to. So, by the way, ito pala yung pangatlong natin. Si Ren Hojo. Yung pangatlong protagonist.
Mr. Hojo? Hisoka came by a little while ago.
Oh, Hisoka. What does she want?
She found the photo book.
She did?
Yeah, here, take a look.
Ito yung libro na nakita kanina nila ni Hisoka. Mga puro post-mortem photographs. Yung uso nun eh. Pero parang morbid yata ang dating. Okay. Was it really a dream? Oh yeah. Okay. There you have it, guys. Ito yung first drop na laro natin. So, I hope you enjoy the game and please like and follow for more games to be played by me. So, see you guys for the next game. Bye! Bye-bye!